If you are still relying on manual editors and sporadic posting in 2026, you are definitely losing the attention game. Today, I am going to show you how to turn one single long piece of content into a massive stream of high-performing short clips using Vizard. We are going to cover everything from setup to scaling so you can flood your social channels without needing to hire an expensive editing team. There is a link in the description to try Vizard for yourself, and I highly recommend you click it to follow along with this exact workflow. Let's start with the results, because I actually ran this on our own content pipeline to make sure it was not just empty hype. We took a 45-minute webinar and used Vizard to automatically extract, caption, and schedule dozens of clips across TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. In just 1 month, that single long video turned into 48 high-quality short clips. Engagement went up. Our average view time increased by nearly 40%, and we even started getting meaningful inquiries. The best part is that we only spent about an hour reviewing the AI selections and making a few tiny tweaks. This is exactly how we are scaling our content now, so let's jump into the platform and I will show you the step-by-step process. Step 1 is simple. Just log in, click New Project, and name it after your specific episode or topic. I personally like to create a specific folder for each series so everything stays organized and easy to find later on. Step 2 is importing your long video, and Vizard supports pretty much every common format like MP4, MOV, or even direct zoom exports. While it uploads, think about what you want to extract, such as educational moments, funny reactions, or quotable soundbites. Step 3 is hitting that magic button where you select Auto Edit or pick viral clips to start the process. You can tell the AI the length range you want, usually 15 to 60 seconds, and pick the platform preset so it formats correctly. Vizard analyzes audio cues, excitement levels, and pacing to identify the moments that are most likely to perform well. Now, do not just blindly post every clip, because this is where you apply your human edge to turn good clips into great ones. Pass 1 is simple trimming, where you cut out any awkward silence or messy mid-sentence pauses. Pass 2 is checking your captions and on-screen text for any minor errors or to add a stronger hook line at the top. Pass 3 is picking the best thumbnails, because a bold 1 to 3 word hook on the cover image does wonders for your clicks. Step 4 is caption style, which is non-negotiable since most users watch content without sound. Vizard makes it easy to bold speaker names, use color accents for emphasis, or even add animations for those funny punchlines. Step 5 involves finding your hooks, as one long video usually yields several high-potential clips. You can duplicate a clip to try different hooks, or auto-generate variations to see which opening lines work best for your audience. Step 6 is auto-scheduling, which is honestly what turns this tool into a full-blown growth machine. Instead of manually uploading every file, you set your cadence and let Vizard queue them up based on best times and your frequency. You can easily shuffle, reorder, and preview the calendar to make sure you are not repeating the exact same content too often. Step 7 is keeping an eye on the content calendar to manage and adjust your strategy based on what is actually working. It is also great for team collaboration since you can leave notes, tag teammates, and lock the final versions for approval. I've picked up a few pro tips while testing this, like keeping at least 2 or 3 variants for any potentially viral moment. Also, do not over-manipulate your AI clips because authenticity really matters, and audiences can spot overproduced content instantly. Now let us talk settings, because Vizard lets you control the highlight sensitivity to determine how picky the AI should be. I usually set sensitivity to medium-high for educational content and medium for casual interviews to get the best balance. Another nifty feature is cross-platform tweaks, allowing you to tailor the caption or thumbnail for different audiences. Compared to hiring freelancers or using manual editing tools, this workflow is just miles ahead in terms of volume and speed. The real power is that the auto-editing, auto-scheduling, and content calendar all work together as one cohesive system. Let's be honest about limitations. No AI is perfect, and sometimes it might misunderstand sarcasm or miss a subtle joke. However, that minor gap is tiny compared to the massive amount of time you save, moving from hours of editing to minutes of curation. To scale this for clients or a brand, treat every long video as a content factory where you batch produce posts. For a weekly webinar, schedule a dedicated clip day to curate, tweak, and cue your content for the entire month ahead. When it comes to fine adjustments, keep your thumbnail text short and bold, as that tiny sticker can double your click-through rate. For caption pacing, adjust the line breaks so they match the natural visual beats and pauses of the speaker. If you have a slow-speaking host, try adding subtle jump cuts to make the clip feel snappier without damaging the audio quality. And remember, you can remove the background of talent shots to place them over new B-roll or product imagery. When testing, track your views and engagement for each variant for at least a week before you decide it is a winner. Often, the most surprising winners are shorter clips between 15 and 20 seconds that have a very specific, relatable hook. If you want to stop treating your long videos as one-off projects and start building a real content engine, Vizard is the fastest way. You are not just outsourcing editing, you are building a scalable system that drives consistent growth. Check the link in the description to sign up for Vizard. Start with one long video and see how much content you can actually extract. If this breakdown helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe so you do not miss any more of these deep dive strategies. I have a full playlist showing advanced workflows and A/B tests, so go ahead and check one of those videos out next. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the very next video.